Good morning, children. Yes, second class girls and boys. Yes. From today, we are going to start our EVS revision. Okay, children. Come on. Open your class works. Everyone, you should open your class work. Fresh page you take out and write today's date and day. What is today's date, children? Today's date is 2/3/2-2-2121. Okay? Write today's date. What is the date today, children? Tuesday. 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 Everybody, open your class works, fresh page and write date and day first. Neat handwriting to date రాయాలి ఫస్ట్. ఎప్పుడు కూడా బుక్ లో వర్క్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ డేట్ రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? yes children. now on the margin మీకు ఇట్లా రెడ్ లైన్ మార్జిన్ ఉంటుంది కదా పైన బుక్ లో క్లాస్ వర్క్ లో, అక్కడ రివిజన్ ఈవీఎస్ రివిజన్ అని రాయండి. రివిజన్ చూడండి, సెకండ్ క్లాస్ రాయొద్దమ్మా, సెకండ్ క్లాస్ అని రాయొద్దు మీరు. రివిజన్ REVISION రివిజన్. yes children, REVISION రివిజన్. on the margin write revision. okay, now first bit children, ఒక లైన్ వదిలేసి ఫస్ట్ బిట్ రాయండి. ఓకేనా? లీవ్ a line and write first bit. after writing EVS revision on the margin, leave one line and write in the second line first bit. answer the following questions. ANSWER answer the following 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 questions. QUESTIONS questions. answer the following questions. okay children, ఇలా హెడ్డింగ్ రాసి again leave one line. yes. what 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 finger gap R ARER the the different 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 sense organs. SENSE sense organs. ORGANS organs. Why are they important to us? What are the different sense organs, children? yes, come on. after writing question, are you giving finger gap between each word, children? what రాసాక ఫింగర్ గ్యాప్ ఇచ్చి r, మళ్ళీ r రాసాక ఫింగర్ గ్యాప్ ఇచ్చి the, అట్లా ప్రతి वर्ड రాసాక ఫింగర్ గ్యాప్ ఇవ్వాలి. हर एक वर्ड के बीच में फिंगर गैप देना है. स्पेलिंग्स पढ़ते हुए करेक्ट स्पेलिंग्स लिखो. डोंट राइट मिस्टेक्स. yes, what are the five sense organs? eyes EYES eyes. EYES eyes. ears EARS ears. EARS ears. NOSE nose. NOSE nose. eyes, ears, nose. tongue TONGUE tongue. TONGUE tongue. and skin SKIN skin. SKIN skin. are yes, five are our sense organs. Our sense organs are our sense organs. Okay, they help us to see. Eyes से क्या करते हैं? See. What do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. Yes. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongue. And feel with our skin. Okay? Yes. Come on, read the answer, children. Eyes. E-Y-S. Eyes. E-A-R-S. Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Eyes. Ears. Nose. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. And skin. S-K-I-N. Skin are our sense organs. They help us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. They help us to see, S-E-E, see. H-E-A-R, hear. Hear बोले तो सुनना. नहीं, ear से सुनते ना हम आवाज. Hear, H-E-A-R, hear. Smell, S-M-E-L-L, smell. Taste, T-A-S-T-E, taste. And feel, A-N-D and F-E-E-L, feel. Okay? Come on, read. This is your first answer. Yes, children, shall I write the first answer? Yes. Now we are going to write second question and answer. Now we are going to write second question and answer. Yes. Come on, write second question. Second question, children. Leave a line after each and every answer. What? W-H-A-T. What is a is a nuclear, N-U-C-L-E-A-R, nuclear, N-U-C-L-E-A-R, nuclear family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. What is a nuclear family? F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Yes, children, leave the line after first question and answer and write the second question. What is a nuclear family? Parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, and N-D and two or, T-W-O, two or, O-R, or, three of the children, T-H-R-E-E, three of their, T-H-E-I-R, their children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children of their children, stay together, S-T-A-Y, stay together, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together, stay together in a house, H-O-U-S-E, house, is called, is called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, is called a nuclear family, N-U-C-L-E-A-R, nuclear family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family, is called a nuclear family. Yes, children, what is a nuclear family? Parents and two or three of their children. house is called a nuclear family. A nuclear family. What is a nuclear family, children? Parents and 2 or 3 of their children stay together in a house is called a nuclear family. Yes, children? Read the spellings and write neatly. Slowly, neatly you write, children, in your classwork. Give a finger gap between each and every word. Okay? Give the finger gap between each and every word and write it neatly. Read while you write. Read and write. Parents and 2 or 3 of their children stay together in a house is called a nuclear family. Yes, children? Are you writing it neatly? After second question and answer, leave one line and write third question. What is a kacha house? What? W-H-A-T. What is a kacha? K-U-T-C-H-A. Kacha. What is a kacha house? What is a kacha house? What is it made up of? What is it made up of? Yes. What is a kacha house, children? Do you know what is a kacha house? Kacha house is not a strong house. Kacha house is not a strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong house. Kacha house is not a strong house. It is made up of mud, M-U-D, mud, straw, S-T-R-A-W, straw, and dry leaves, D-R-Y, dry, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Yes, कच्चा हाउस में तो क्या है माँ? తెలుసా మీకు कच्चा हाउस అంటే? अब देखते ना रोडों पे जिसको घर नहीं है वो लोग छोटा टेंट बन लेते ना, नहीं? जो पूरे लकड़ियों से टेंट जैसे बनते ना घर, छोटा घर बना लेके रहते ना उसमें, उसको बोलते कच्चा हाउस. दे मेक विथ मड. यस, मिट्टी से बना लेते ना घर. मड, स्ट्रॉ एंड ड्राई लीव्स. कच्चा हाउस इज नॉट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग हाउस. वो हाउस स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं रहता, कुछ भी बहुत तेज से हवा और बारिश आ गई तो टूट जाता, नहीं, हाउस टूट जाता. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ मड, M-U-D, mud, straw, S-T-R-A-W, straw, and dry, D-R-Y, dry, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, dry leaves. Come on, write these 3 answers neatly. Give a finger gap, write in a neat handwriting. Write neatly. Leave a line between each and every question and answer. Okay children, read the answers while you write. अच्छा लिखते हुए पढ़ लो, पढ़ते हुए लिखना और लर्न भी करो. आंसर्स पूरे लर्न कर लेना आप लोग. నేర్చేసుకోవాలి మీరు ఆన్సర్స్ రాయడమే కాదు, నేర్చుకోవాలి కూడా ఎగ్జామ్కి. ఓకేనా? అర్థమవుతుందా? సెకండ్ గర్ల్స్ అండ్ బాయ్స్. Yes. Now I am going to write fourth question. Fourth question children. What about the fourth question? What is an igloo? What? W-H-A-T. What? I-S-E-A-N and igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. What is an igloo? An igloo. An igloo. An igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Is a type, T-Y-P-E type, T-Y-P-E type of hut, H-U-T, hut, type of hut, built, B-U-I-L-T, built, ఇది B అమ్మా, B-U-I-L-T, built, built of snow. किससे बनाते हैं इग्लू हाउस को? स्नो से बनाते हैं. Built of snow. Igloo is a type of house built of snow. What is an igloo children? Igloo is a type of house built of snow. An igloo is a type of house built of snow. Okay? An igloo is a type of house built of snow. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? Why do we need food children? Yes? Why do we need food? We need food. We need food. Need F-O-O-D, food. To stay alive. To stay alive. We need food to stay alive. Alive बोले तो जिंदा, बतखुंडलाने, जिंदा रहने के लिए खाना खाना है ना? Yes. We need food to stay alive. We need food to stay alive. How is drinking milk useful? Yes. दूध पीने से क्या होता? Drinking milk, M-I-L-K, milk useful. Yes. पाल साइड से एवं से बने की. Yes. See now. Milk gives us energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy and strengthen our bones. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H-E-N-S. Strengthens the bones. Strengthen the bones. Milk gives energy and strengthen the bones. नहीं? bones को ताकत, हड्डियों को ताकत देता है मिल्क కదా. మన బోన్స్ కి బలం ఇస్తది మిల్క్ తాగాలి రోజు. మిల్క్ gives energy and strengthens the bones. Milk gives energy and strengthens the bones. Yes children, learn the 6 answers. One time you wrote for classwork and one time you write as homework. एक बार क्लास वर्क लिखना और एक बार फिर से हेडिंग लगा के होमवर्क बोल के डाल के फिर एक बार होमवर्क लिखना. You have to learn the 6 answers. Okay? What is an igloo? An igloo is a type of hut built of snow. An igloo is a type of hut built of snow. Why do we need food? We need food to stay alive. We need food to stay alive. How is drinking milk useful? Milk gives energy and strengthens the bones. Milk gives energy and strengthens the bones. Okay? 6 answers. Neatly you write one time for class work and one time as homework. Yes? And you have to learn all the 6 answers. Okay? I am going to take slip test in your next class. Okay? Learn the 6 answers. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.